What is urgency?
Well, urgency to, well, I'm praying for only inclusion in the list.
Come on Thursday.
Well, why urgency?
Acha, today is a mentioning day. Yes. New motion. Give the all.
Urgent motion, my lord.
My lord, may I be permitted to mention a matter?
Urgent motion, my
What is that?
selected for SSC.
Huh?
Selected for SSC.
Ah.
We collected several certificates were issued by the DM. But at present, my lord, when she was selected, they have asked him for certificate. They have not issued the fresh certificate. So my appointment was.
Who is not issuing the certificate?
He is taking magistrate, my lord.
So what certificate you relied upon when you had appeared?
Yeah, that certificate, same certificate is obtained, my lord. They have asked my lord to fresh certificate. The DM is not issued the same, my lord.
Yes, my lord, with your lordship's kind leave. Slipটা নিন।
এটা নিয়ে নিন,
Urgent motion में रखो। सोमवार तक।
My lord, with your lordship's kindly, my lord, I was mentioning a very urgent motion. My lord, this petitioner is a clinical establishment. My lord, they had purchased a USG machine for their branch in Kolkata. Now, my lord, they had opened a branch in Bardhaman. They were operating the machine in Kolkata with the permission of the CMOH. My lord, with the permission of the CMOH, my lord, they shifted the machine from Kolkata to Bardhaman. Now, my lord, the CMOH Purbo Bardhaman, my lord, as soon as we have, my lord, installed the machine there, my lord, he has come and sealed off the machine completely, my lord, without assigning any reasons. Now, my lord, the only thing is, my lord, this machine requires a periodic servicing, or otherwise, my lord, the machine is worth in crores. Now, my lord, the servicing is due in December. The CMOH is not even allowing us to do it.
When it was seized?
My lord, it was seized, my lord, in the month of August.
So,
now, my lord, we require a servicing of the machine at least to be done in December. We have applied for the license before the CMOH. The CMOH is not taking any decision to grant us the license and neither allowing us, my lord, to at least service the machine. Or, my lord, it is worth in crores, my lord, the machine will be, my lord, totally gone. My lord, could this be heard out?
Tuesday रखो, urgent motion.
Urgent motion.
Dependency of my SFP, the West Bengal state government may not promulgated the impugned legislation. The Honorable Supreme Court was apprised of this fact that is now shown to be listed as the Honorable Supreme Court. But my writ petition has been filed, it's registered, but I'm just praying that the matter may kindly be listed up or taken up next week.
So why? If it is pending before the Supreme Court?
The Supreme Court has been apprised that the impugned legislation would adversely affect my rights.
Okay.
May I just circulate the orders of the Honorable Supreme Court?
may I permit to mention some matters?
My lords, may kindly have the order dated 22nd of August. That is 1st August, not on the top. Just paras 1 and 2 on the second page. But what this impugned act does is it retrospectively cancels my rights and therefore the challenge.
Yes, there are several matters are pending with regard to this. Yes.
There is also another matter about Nuvoco Private Limited.
Correct. I think it is 14th of December. Some date is fixed. Please confirm from.
This matter has never been taken up.
No, not your matter. The other connected
I
matters.
understand. That's absolutely correct.
You ascertain the date, then this matter will be listed on that day. You ascertain the other advocates who filed up. There are several applications.
There is another matter, Nuvoco Private Limited versus State of West Bengal, WP 13176 of 2025. That was also filed just a few days before my petition. That matter was pending before the Honorable Court of my DD, Ms. Amrita Sinha. Thereafter, the matter is not showing to be listed. The date is.
No, that's why thereafter the matter was mentioned before this court, and several matters have been mentioned. I think 14 December or 4 December.
The court website shows 28th of November.
28th of November.
If I can just confirm on the website.
That's why I'm telling you, confirm it and mention tomorrow. Then I will fix this matter along with all matters. No problem.
Can you grant me the permission to mention the matter tomorrow?
Yes, you mention this.
ये
दे दो उनका. ए बाबू.
May I have your lordship's kind matter relates to I have 100 point Boston, my lord, your company knows after the 2015 physical stability act, my lord, 4% seats, it has to be an horizontal reservation and 4% seats are to be reserved. Here, my lord, the reservation which has been 100 point roster is vertical reservation, thereby depriving all locomotive visibility to even appear. The SSC examination, immediately after decision of the advertisement, we challenged this, and the court, coordinate bench was pleased to say that this is a vertical reservation. We take immediate steps. The current Advocate General was appearing, he assured the court that before publication of the result, it will be done. The matter was fixed on 14th of November, but due to change in determination, the matter was not appeared. Did not appear. Urgent motion because the results has published any day. It will
Let's go to Tuesday.
any day subject to your lordship.
My lord, with your lordship's kind leave, my lord, may I be,
Restoration.
my lord, with your lordship.
My lord, kindly
leave, my
allow
lord.
me to mention a matter.
Restoration you give. What is the urgency? Only you
My lord,
mention that.
my lord, with your lordship's kind leave, my lord, two urgent motions of your dailies today's list, my lord, item number 217 and 218.
Ah.
These items, my lord, writ petitions pertain to LOCs being issued or not. My lord, only we needed information because the petitioner intends to
What
travel.
NOC? From
But
where?
LOC, my lord, the lookout circulars,
Acha.
the petitioner apprehends that lookout circulars might be issued, but he's not been given any details by the Directorate of Enforcement, my lord.
Hmm.
We have written letters to them. They are not informing us whether there is any LOC pending or not. We have just filed a writ petition only to ascertain that information, my lord. The petitioner needs very urgent travel, my lord, abroad, my lord. If can be taken up as urgent motion,
Matter.
my lord, 217 and 218 of your lordship's today's list, my lord.
17 to 18 Wednesday को urgent motion में को.
Urgent, my lord, highly obliged, highly obliged,
To 17 to 18
lord.
Wednesday urgent motion.
highly obliged.
Under urgent motion, Lordship, the petitioner had participated in a tender on the 3rd of November. Thereafter, with on 12th of November, he was debarred from participating. And the tender is closing on the 22nd, Lordship. And the debarment is completely illegal, Lordship. If you could keep it tomorrow, then Lordship.
Already workout issue might be issued.
No, Lordship. It,
To the respondent matter. The time is there till 22nd. Can we take up more particular?
yes, Lordship, please.
May I have your lordship very kindly?
Because the tender is closing on the 22nd, Lordship.
22nd.
Yes, Lordship.
22nd of
22nd of November, Lordship. Day after
That is-
tomorrow.
well, urgent
top right.
motion.
Very kind. Your lordship directed the matter to be listed today at 2 p.m. Matter 1002, incident of 1995, order of accused against the division matter. We are the accused respondent. We are suffering, we are not getting all pensionary benefit, but the petitioner do not want to do the case for years together. Lordship in the last order fixed the matter today, but despite that the matter has not been appeared.
Why it
Lordship
is
has
not-
direct the matter to appear
Why
tomorrow.
it is not appeared?
We had out.
My lord, kindly allow me to mention a matter.
Just a minute. It is there. It is there. Oh. Number is wrongly printed. It is there.
Inclusion. Motion stage.
Because of what comes in the drafting matter was so that has been filed and it's drafted as item number 33.
What is the urgency?
He will be still the suggested why
What order is passed by the civil court?
is civil court has not entertained their application. Because
What order passed by the sub-divisional officer?
he has directed the in-laws to be reinstated in the house of the petitioner. That is the one.
Ah.
So that will be a class of two orders. And civil court's order always smaller civil.
Ah.
And police and the local fools, they are pushing the in-laws into the house of the wife.
So whether you challenge the order passed by the SDO, preferred an appeal? Have you preferred an appeal against the order of the SDO?
No.
Then how the writ court? You have to challenge before the appellate authority, district magistrate,
Since it was passed.
section 19.
Since it was passed before Puja, just before.
Maybe puja or whatever it may be, the authorities are there. The appellate authority prepared an appeal.
Then, it may come tomorrow as speaking mentioned,
Ah.
that an order may be passed, otherwise there will says that the matter is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court, High Court, and they are not supposed to take up it.
So you will withdraw. If you want to withdraw, then I will fix tomorrow as a to be mentioned. Then I will. If you want to argue the matter, then we fix a date as urgent motion. So you want to argue Wednesday, rakho. Wednesday urgent motion mein rakho.
Your Lordship, may I have
Kindly
your
allow me to
Lordship
mention a
to
matter.
mention, it's a very urgent matter, Your Lordship. I am the religious and the charitable trust, Your Lordship. And every year I have organized a program, and this year the program is on 23rd November 2025. And due to the lack of permission of the SDO, we cannot organize the program, Your Lordship. So I'm beseeching Your Lordship, kindly take up the matter on tomorrow.
What is the urgent? What
The program
you
is
want-
on 23rd November,
what program you
Sunday,
want
Your
to
Lordship.
What program you want to
The
organize?
Bhagavad Gita part, and there are several scholars will also come to give speech on our
When you applied?
Hindu scriptures.
When you applied?
10 days ago, Your Lordship. They have kept it pending, Your Lordship, without any.
My lord, yes, my lord, I am leading him. In this matter, my lord, what has happened, my lord, every year, my lord, we organize this fair. This year also, my lord, we have applied before the SDO. But unnecessarily, my lord, the application has been kept pending. We have made all the arrangements, my lord, the stalls they have, and there are a lot of disciples coming from all over West Bengal. Man. So there will be a lot of commission. But if the fair is not tomorrow, it's a religious fair. A lot of religious activity takes place. There is no other things, my lord.
When the program?
My lord, the program will commence from tomorrow. My lord, kindly take it up at 2 p.m. my lord.
Tomorrow urgent motion mein rakho.
My lord, kindly allow me to mention a matter, my lord. My lord,
Give.
My lord, may I be allowed to mention a matter, my lord? My lord, it is a very urgent motion. The petitioner has been running a school since 2000 of the land of the respondent authorities. But the respondent authorities on 22nd July 2025 served a notice to the petitioner to a wrong address. And the petitioner obtained this notice on 17/9/2025. And the respondent authorities noticed that to vacate and they hand over the land to the respondent authorities. But the
Who is the
petition,
responsible authority?
Kolkata Port Trust and my lord Union of India and my lord the shipping authorities.
Whose land belongs? The land belongs to which department?
Land belongs to a Kolkata Major Port Trust, and the petitioner has been running a school on this land in terms of lease. The petitioner made a representation to the respondent authorities 29/2025, but they are not considering this representation. My prayer is
What representation you made?
for allotment the land to run the
The
school.
lease land, how it will be allotted? What is the period of the lease?
My lord, extension of lease, my lord, and
What is the period of the lease? Lease is over.
no, my lord.
Lease is still in existence or lease is over?
Lease is existence, my lord. Lease is existent,
So,
but the respondent authorities are not considering the representation.
When
So
the
I am
lease-
paying for that
what is the year of the completion year of the lease period?
lease period, my lord. It starts from 2007. It was start from 2007, and the lease was granted by the another respondent authorities to who is the
Sir,
flour
The
mills. my
lease
lord.
was granted to you on
Yes.
2007.
Yes,
For how many years?
25 years, my lord.
Then 2007, 25 years is still the lease's existence. So what do you want now?
My
What
lord,
is the urgency?
my lord, urgency is that the respondent authorities noticed that to vacate and hand over the land to the
When
respondent
the
authority.
notice was issued?
The notice was issued on 22nd July
Ah.
2025
Then
to a wrong address,
Ah.
and the petitioner got this letter on 17th September.
Sir, any order is passed.
No, my lord, no order was passed, but my prayer is that
So
please considering
go and appear before the authority. If the authority will consider, otherwise you file a writ
my
petition.
lord, I made a representation. I Center represent,
Sir, first you
but they are
give the
not considering, sir.
You go and file.
My
a
lord, they are
report.
not considering.
Sorry,
That
yes.
is why this.
My lord, what is the urgency? What certificate? Sale certificate. By whom? What sale? Who will issue the sale certificate? What is the sale?
What is the subject matter of the sale?
Then
May I
take inspection come.
But the petitioner that complainant in three criminal cases before the three evaluation. That was done in the year 2012, but he is now in staying abroad. But the cases are pending since 2012.
Which court? Which court the cases are?
No.
What is the case of what is the offense?
Offense is for the forgery. Complainant is
All three cases forgery.
forgery and misappropriation of funds.
Correct.
There are about 21 years.
Yes.
But presently, my lord, the deposition date is fixed on 27.
Correct.
He is abroad and my lord, the deposition through online contact.
Correct.
But my lord,
Deposition of the witness. So
and in the meantime, my lord, the patient will be removed.
correct.
The regular people are denied to take the brief. But
Denied to take?
the brief
Huh.
on behalf of the complainant.
Huh.
And now, my lord,
Who are you?
regular people.
Who are you?
But I am the complainant.
You are the
Complainant.
you for the complaint case or it is a police case?
Police.
Then
But my deposition, my lord, from Finland to
you are the witness. You are the witness to the offense of the said case.
Yes.
You are the witness.
Yes.
So you want to adduce your evidence.
Yes.
So now there is no prosecution. So what do you want? What you
27 when the date fixed for the deposition.
Ah.
So no PP is there.
Ah.
That is the reason why I filed.
So no PP has been appointed.
There is a date supposed to be here, but 28 is the kind of.
Ah.
I don't mention.
My lord, may I be permitted to
28
20th November. कल रखो
my lord,
May I apply?
my lord, may I be permitted to my lord, may I be permitted to mention
Urgent.
my lord,
The new motion.
item number 212, my lord, your lordship may recall, my lord, the likewise matter, my lord, the commandant authority, my lord, issued a eviction notice where the lease is substituted. Your lordship has recently passed an order directing them not to evict. My lord, similar circumstances, my lord, they have also again issued a notice, lease is subsisting, and I have been asked to vacate the possession on 30th November. My lord, this appearing as
30th November.
item number 212, my lord. My lord, kindly update the matter so that, my lord,
Okay, 30th November. Now there is a 1 week is there. If it is not upgraded, then we'll see.
May I have
Yes.
I need to mention a matter, Lord. This is a matter pertaining to the Milord Mental Health Act 2017.
Hmm.
Your lordship directed to constitute the Mental Health Review Board
Hmm.
and made the matter returnable on 6th November 2025.
Ah.
And the Milord, the particular daughter of the petitioner is 75% mental.
Whether the board is constituted now?
Milord,
Not yet.
I have not, because the report is required to be filed on 6th November.
Correct. Whether you have any idea whether board constituted or not?
Constitute the board, because they have not given any
No
any intimation.
So you are not also consulted with the chairperson. The district judge is the chairperson of the board. Have you consulted with the chairperson?
The district judge has already said that.
Subsequently, after that order, have you consulted?
Yes, I have already inquired, but no board has been.
No board is constituted.
Yes, my lord. If
Okay.
this matter, it was about to be returnable 6th November, my lord. This is an order.
बुधवार को रखो urgent motion में.
My lord, kindly allow me to mention a matter, my lord.
Who are senior amongst all of you?
May I just not seek a small indulgence? Your lordships directed me to inquire about the date. Because I've sought instructions, the matter is listed on 28th of November. By the order dated 16th of September by my lady
तो दे
Judge
दो.
Amrita Sinha.
ये भी 28 नवंबर में रखो.
28th November, my lord.
28 नवंबर में रखो. Adjourn
The
motion.
date has been served. 28 to 8.
Yes.
I'm so good.
Yes.
For a change.
Yes.
That, very innocuous system.
The innocuous period is not applicable.
Unlisted will not be at file. Scheduled will not, draft will not have, unsettled draft will not was filed. I am only seeking the liberty to withdraw and file of this. It was not filed just immediately after the vacation. Just
You want to withdraw?
withdraw, but
To be mentioned
Lordship.
within bracket withdrawal.
May I?
To be mentioned within bracket withdraw.
My lord,
Lordship, for correction.
Correction. Correction to be mentioned correction.
May I be permitted to mention hearing matters, your lordship?
One by one. Who is senior?
Same batch.
Okay, tell me.
Lordship, I am praying for a hearing matter for inclusion, Lordship. The petitioner's FD's amount have been matured in the year 2023, Lordship, but the respondent bank till date does not disperse the amount, Lordship. Petitioner is suffering from great financial loss, your Lordship.
So what you want?
I'm
It is
praying
not in the list.
for-
It is not in the list. So you want inclusion or urgent hearing?
hearing, Lordship.
1st December को रखो. 1st December urgent motion.
December,
Only 1 week because the
any day in this month, your Lordship.
27 में रख दो. 27th. Urgent.
My lord, kindly allow me to mention it.
For emotional agency is that the application, lordship. He didn't get the reply, lordship. Thereafter, he preferred the expedition, lordship. That expedition was taken up for hearing by the honorable justice officer in a lordship. His lordship that was directed. The matter will appear on 18th, lordship. The matter is not appearing in the list. Subsequently, the examination was said that is why the matter is not appearing, lordship. Finally, I am praying for inclusion in the list, lordship. It's a motion matter, lordship.
my lord, with
My lord, kindly allow me to mention a
Kindly
matter,
I
my lord.
wish to mention an urgent list. My lord, with your lordships, kindly I wish to mention an urgent listed motion. My lord, the respondents, in spite of taking the due installments, forcibly took the possession of vehicle and deprived the petitioner of the business. My lord, the date of appearance was given
When
on
the vehicle was taken?
14
Huh?
my lord, the date of appearance was given on 14 November, but the case has not been listed as listed motion, and the petitioner has been suffering huge loss.
Okay, give the. It will be listed.
Urgent.
My lord, kindly allow me to mention a matter.
Restoration application, madam.
My lord, kindly allow me to mention a matter. My lord, this is a writ petition filed against the Reserve Bank of India, the LIC Housing Finance Limited, and the CIBIL Authority. The petitioner is being deprived of seeking his desired employment for his low CIBIL score. So, for the correction, we are praying. This is a new motion. It has been filed on 7th November and it was returnable on 17th for inclusion.
May I allow to mention? So, lordship, this matter was taken on 22nd April 2024. The next week, the respondents took time for a week to file the affidavit in reply. And the matter was put in the monthly list of May 2024. Since then, the matter is not been taken
Urgent
up.
motion में रखो.
Lordship, listed motion, my lord.
26 को.
My lordship, listed motion.
Yes.
Listed motion.
My lord, maybe for me to mention a matter, my lord. My lord, kindly pardon me for bothering once again, my lord. My lord will recall this matter was mentioned yesterday, or day before yesterday. Your lordship was pleased to fix this matter on Thursday under the heading urgent motion, my lord. Matter is not appearing, your lordship. Kindly. Thursday, the urgent motion under the letter.
Why not listed?
My lord, I am therefore once again mentioning, your lordship.
This list tomorrow. List tomorrow.
So grateful.
Yes, call the list.
Item number 1.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this is for non-prosecution. I'm carrying the written instruction from my client.
The matter is listed as to be mentioned on the prayer made by the counsel for the petitioner. Counsel for the petitioner has handed over the communication dated. There is no date. Has handed over a communication wherein the plaintiff has informed the learned advocate for taking necessary steps for withdrawal of the instant writ application. On the basis of the communication, learned counsel for the plaintiff raised for withdrawal of present date. The learned counsel for the petitioner for use the communication. The number 23373 of 2022 is wrong. Can you stand back? चलने. Yes.
Item number
Lordship, in this matter, I want to withdraw this matter with liberty to file a fresh lordship.
Why?
Lordship, certain important facts and some necessary parties have been left out mistakenly, Lordship. So that,
I appeal for the respond number 1, 2, and 3, my lord, ICICI Bank.
that needs to be incorporated, Lordship.
And it comes for the petitioner. Praised for. Submits that there are some defects in the writ application and also intends to incorporate some documents. Accordingly, he pays for withdrawal of the present writ application with the liberty to file afresh. But the landed counsel for the petitioner, there is allowed WPA 15296 of 2025 is 2025 is dismissed as withdrawn. Liberty to file afresh. And stand vacated. Next.
I'm for the petitioner. I'm for the petitioner. Your lordship, my case in a nutshell is that death certificate has been issued in my daughter's name, whereas she is alive, well and alive. If your lordship kindly comes to page number 28, the death certificate is annexed there.
Page 28.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship may observe that in the there is date is written at 24/4/2020.
What is the name of the daughter?
Your lordship, the Sabana Laskar.
Sabana Laskar. Date of death 24/4/2025.
Yes, your lordship. The date of death certificate has been issued by the Department of Health without verifying the medical records such as the cremation ground certificate and death certificate. It has been issued. Your lordship, the death certificate has been issued on the application made by one Shahadul Lashkar. That person has similar name as me. I am also Shahadul Lashkar. Your lordship, I have duly made the FIR. The FIR is annexed in page number.
The petition is also Shahadul Lashkar.
Yes, your lordship. Taking the benefit of a similar name as mine. This
Fraud, Lordship.
got inquiry.
This is my report, Lordship, police report. FIR has been lodged, Lordship. Dated 17 July 2025. Under section 3184, 3192, 3362 BNSS. And now, Lordship, requisition was sent to the Director of SBI in charge, Chief Registrar of Birth and Death, West Bengal, to know the status of deletion process of death certificate in the name Sabana Laskar.
Your lordship, my daughter is well and alive. Yes. Ma'am, can I get a copy?
Lordship, may I give the report to the petitioner?
Yes.
Your lordship, due to the issuance of this death certificate, I have been intimated that my Aadhaar card, voter card, and ration card have been rendered invalid. So now the urgency is, lordship, is that the ongoing SIR process is being conducted in the state of West Bengal. I'll be prohibited from participating in the said process. It will prejudice my rights, your lordship. That's why I want the cancellation of the quashing of the death certificate.
So you are having the Aadhaar card, PAN card, all this you are having?
Your lordship, I have the position.
There is no order with regard to the cancellation of that Aadhaar card, PAN card, and other documents. There is any order from any authority?
Your lordship, there is no such specific order, but I have been intimated from the officers that it will be rendered invalid. My Aadhaar, voter card.
If it is that, then the authority will issue the notice to you for surrendering of the document.
Okay, Your Lordship, I don't have it right now.
The petitioner has filed the present application paying for setting aside, paying for quashing of the death certificate of Savannah Lusker issued by the, who has issued this?
Your Lordship, Department of Health and Family Welfare,
The
Gram Panchayat, Gopal Nagar. Gopal Ganj.
issued by the Government of West Bengal, Department of Health and Family Welfare, Gram Panchayat, Gopalganj.
Gopalganj.
Gopalganj dated 14th May 2025. Showing the date of death of Savannah Lusker as 2025. Counsel for the petition submitted the Savannah Lusker is still alive, but one Shahadul Lusker, the son of Nuru Lusker of the same village, had fraudulently used the Aadhaar number of the daughter of the petitioner and had applied for Krishak Bandhu Death Benefit Scheme at the AD office. And on the basis of where is the application he applied for? Have you submitted? No.
Lordship,
Issued by the Swens. He submits that one Sahadul Lusker, son of Nuru Lusker, Nuru, Nuru Lusker, of the same village, taking the benefit of the name of Savannah Lusker, has applied for the death certificate, and the authorities have issued the death certificate. When the petitioner came to know that the authorities have issued the death certificate in the name of death certificate of the daughter of the petitioner, immediately the petitioner has made a complaint to the concerned police station, and the police has initiated a case. He submitted the Savannah Lusker, daughter of Sahadul Lusker, resident of Kirtan Khola, Tipakali, Kutali district, South 24 Bagana, is still alive, but the authorities have wrongly issued the death certificate of Savannah Lusker. Accordingly, he prays for washing of the death certificate. The Learned Counsel appearing for the state has submitted a report wherein it reveals that the petitioner has made a written complaint to the police of PS Kultali, Baraipur, and on the basis of the report, inquiry was conducted, and during the inquiry, it was found that one Sri Sardul Lusker, the respondent number 11, had submitted an application for Krishak Bandhu death benefit scheme, providing his daughter Shabana Lusker's death certificate. In course of investigation, the Sadul Lusker failed to provide the adequate documents and also failed to cooperate with the investigating agency. Subsequently, during the inquiry, it was found that the death certificate was issued from the Gopalganj Gram Panchayat office, which was digitally signed by the Panchayat Gram Pradhan, Srimati Binata, Srimati or Siri Binata Halda, Gram Pradhan Binata Halda, and a notice was issued to the Pradhan, and when the inquiry was conducted, and when the interrogation was, the Pradhan has informed the police authority that the verification was done by the Panchayat Sahayak, namely Hari Prasad Dey of Gopalganj Gram Panchayat. Later the Pradhan came to know that the Panchayat Sahayak has misled the Pradhan for issuance of the death certificate. It is found from the report of the state that the police authorities have already requested the concerned authority for cancellation of the death certificate. Had the learned counsel for the parties perused the report submitted by the state, would find that the private respondent now level, by taking the benefit of the name of the petitioner, has applied for the death certificate of the daughter of the petitioner, and the Panchayat authority have issued and the Department of Health and Family Welfare, Gram Panchayat Gopalganj, has issued the death certificate. Subsequently, when the complaint was made, Common Police has investigated the matter and found that the respondent number 11 has obtained the death certificate, impersonating himself as the father of Savannah Laskar, though he is not the father of the Savannah Laskar. It is also reveals from the report that the Savannah Laskar, the death certificate of the Savannah Laskar is still alive, and the father of the Savannah Laskar is the Sadul Laskar, son of Moksha Laskar. Accordingly, in view of the above, who is the authority to cancel? Accordingly, the death certificate issued by the Government of West Bengal Department of Health and Family Welfare, Gram Panchayat Gopalganj, being certificate number D/2025/026597, dated 14th May 2025, in the name of Savannah Laskar, showing the date of 24/4/2025, is certified. The concerned authorities are directed to delete, to take appropriate steps for deletion of the death of Savannah Laskar from the concerned file and shall be treated as the concerned file full stop within a period of 1 week from the date of receipt of this order. 2 weeks for it. 2 weeks from the date of WPA report. I have caused the death certificate, directed the authority to delete all the proceedings at the, while the issuance of while they have proceeded with the police report, pick up with the report.
Your Lordship, one small indulgence, just the SIR process will be over by December. If I liberty to participate in that, Your Lordship.
No, I cause you can go for.
Your Lordship, is the time is fixed for the cancellation, quashing of.
Already caused.
Okay, okay, great.
That's why otherwise the department I already caused, only noted that it may be taken note in the file.
Grateful, Your Lordship.
My lord, I'm mentioning from the bar, my lord. Bar has took a resolution, my lord, not to participate for that day, my lord, due to police atrocities, my lord. Serious allegation against the police authority. They entered into the court premises, my lord, and threatened the advocates, my lord.
Okay. No problem. If party appear, I will take.
My lord, no.
If no will appear,
This is the resolution of the bar association.
that's why I'm telling.
General.
If both the party will appear, the court will take the matter. If the party will not appear, the will court not pass any order. Correct.
I'm good.
Yes, call the matter. Pass over. Pass over. Pass over.
Ten. Well, I beg to appear on behalf of the petitioner. I draw Lordship's kind attention to page 14 of the application.
Will you do the matter after the resolution of the bar?
No, my lord.
Yes.
Uttam.
Item number 16. Item number 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24.
Leave it.